Want a cleaner Instagram activity log? In this video, you'll learn how to find and delete your Instagram watch history, whether you want to remove a few watched videos or clear everything in just a few taps. Before you start, check that Instagram is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. New features, including the watch history section, may not be available on older versions of the app. Launch Instagram on your Android phone and sign in if needed. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the upper right corner. From the menu, select your activity under the How You Use Instagram section. This page brings together different types of account activity, making it easier to manage your data and viewing history. Scroll through the available options until you find Watch History. Tap it to view the reels and videos you've watched recently. Instagram generally keeps this history for around 30 days, allowing you to revisit content you've previously viewed. If you only want to remove certain videos, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the videos or reels you want to erase, then tap Remove at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your selection when the pop-up appears. This is useful if you only want to hide specific videos without deleting your entire watch history. To remove everything, tap Clear All if the option is available. Depending on your Instagram version, you may need to tap Select, choose Select All, or manually select every item before tapping Remove. Once confirmed, Instagram will clear your watch history. Remember, this only removes the viewing history. It doesn't delete your likes, comments, saved posts, or messages. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more Android tips, and I'll see you in the next video.